Welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Lesson with Esha. Shape quiz for kids. This video is gonna be very interesting for you. Which shape has three sides? C is the right answer, triangle. Which shape has four equal sides and four right angles? A is the right answer, rectangle. Which shape has no sides or corners? D is the right answer, circle. Which shape has five sides? D is the right answer. Which shape has five sides? A is the right answer, pentagon. Which shape has six equal sides? B is the right answer, hexagon. Identify the shape and take a quiz of yourself. Identify the shape and give the right answer. Think about the right answer. Give the right answer. Identify the shape. If your all answers are right, then give yourself a good marks and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Stay connected with us and thanks for watching.